my name is Ashley, and this is Agent Renovation, where I teach agents winning strategies and winning considerations for passing the levels of the agent game. In today's video, we're going to talk about building your empire and how your long game is really built in your short game. Most people overestimate what they can accomplish in a year, and they really underestimate what they can accomplish in a single day. But the fallacy in all of this is the long game is built in the short game. Your empire is built brick by brick on the day-to-day level in your short game, but cumulatively, that produces your long game. In your agent game, it's best to have a high-level overview of what you wish to accomplish in your year, your high level, what do you want to get done on an annual basis. And then it's your job to break it down into your day-to-day steps, your short game. Thus, being able to get up every day and accomplish your short game knowing you're going to get to your long game. A lot of people sit around creating grand visions of an annual vision of what they're going to do in the next year, but they never actually get there. And that's because it's easy to think, oh, I've got 365 days, I could get X done, and make a vision board and set a goal. However, it's really your day-to-day life where you need to be making the wins and all the accomplishments, the steps forward. You can only get there by thinking about your long game, but then you must focus on your day. Every single day, look at it as what can I get done in these 24 hours? Many people overestimate what they can get done in the whole year, but they don't understand that their true value is held in their day. This is why at Agent Renovation, we speak about the importance of choosing a prospecting method and sticking with it and becoming a master. Because your agent life is busy, and you need to get certain things done every single day. You need to get certain things done every single day to grow your business, and there's a lot of them. However, if you can streamline your business and know what you're gonna do and make your action steps small and repeatable, then you're able to manage your short game easier. I think a lot of people get overwhelmed when they have to break down the big vision. That's why it's so easy to think of an overall year, oh, I could make it to X. But when they think of the day, they get overwhelmed and they don't get enough done. You need to take the same actions every day in your agent life and consistently take them, and you can guarantee you'll get to your larger goal. It's in your day-to-day wins that your empire will be built. There's a famous saying, Rome wasn't built in a day, but they were laying bricks every hour. And that's exactly how your agent life is going to get you to the life you want. It's your day-to-day wins. Thanks for watching today's video. If you loved this content, hit the like button, the subscribe button, or leave me a comment. Have a great day. Bye. I hope you enjoyed today's supplementary video to your door knocking program. Good luck in your real estate game, and I will see you in the next level. Bye.